Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
I think I touched a nerve.
Vader, let's go! You're on!
Shouldn't have gotten the presents. Lonnie! Huh?
Your next stop is the hospital! Whoa!
Don't worry, I'll bring you some flowers.
Thank the manufacturer, you're alive! Mac, you're...
A Joplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City looks so pretty.
Okay, drop and give me 20 miles. Go, 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 go. Go!
Man!
It's going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
How will I ever find anyone else who knows how to fill me up with gas? Adios, Chuck.
Hey, DJ, lay down some beats, man.
No, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hey!
Correcto, correcto. Hay que ir recto. Ya hoy suficiente. Y fuera.
What are you doing, kid? I think the king should finish.
Are we to care for those travelers if there is no road for them to drive on? Luigi? Red?
Son, you're gonna miss your race. Don't worry. I'll give you a police escort and we'll make up the time.
Thank you.
I've completed the repair of the Apple Road emergency phone. Can you hear me? Yep, loud and clear.
Bye. Have a wonderful day, School B. Hi, Cap.
So,
No, no, no. Salgan de la tienda. ¡Hey! No comas la radial.
Toma, te doy las de nieve.
Have fun fishing, Mater. I can feel it, guys. Tonight is the night I find my speed.
Worse. I'll scrape it off. Start over again.
Hey, look, Grandpa, I'm not a bulldozer. I'm...
Noticias. El chico Jackson Storm le acaba de poner un buen alto al Rayo McQueen. ¡Oh, oh, oh, oh!
Well then, go!
Mama ain't seen you that low in years.
I haven't seen a road like this.
Be going now, okay? A little something to remember us by.
You upright. Hey, anything you want. You know, like the flame job.
Oh,
maybe
thanks,
gold
Master.
flames.
Easy greasy. And I'm still clean as a whistle.
I'm having a tornado in a trailer park.
On you go.
Sorry.
Go. Go. Bill racing out there. How'd you like to become the new face of Dinoco?
And my mama is right here.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama! This organic fuel is great! Why haven't I heard about it before?
It's a conspiracy, man!
You got in a car wash?